Okay, question number 1. And here we're given a polynomial, 4x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 2. And we need to differentiate it. And we can begin just term by term. So the 3 comes down, multiplies the 4, gives us 12x, and you minus 1 of the power to give you 2. Plus, then the 2 comes down, and you minus 1 of the power to give you 1, but we don't write the 1. And there, minus 4x is a linear term, so that will become minus 4. And the negative 2 is constant term, so that becomes a 0. Okay, question number 2. And we can differentiate straight away term by term. So we first get minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared, and then plus 10x minus 6. Okay, question number 3. We can differentiate. We get 6x to the 5. The 4 is a constant term, that becomes 0. And then we get minus 2x. That becomes minus 2x. And the linear term, that becomes plus 3. Okay, question number 4. This equals, you get minus 2 plus 28x to the 6. The minus 5 becomes a 0. And then the 3x to the 5 becomes 15x to the 4. Okay, question number 5. Here we want to differentiate this polynomial, and we can see that there's some fractions, there's a third, a decimal, but it's still the same rule. It doesn't make any difference. You just bring down the power and minus 1 of the power. So 2/3 times 4, that gives us 8 over 3 x to the 3. And then the 2 comes down, multiplies the root 2, you get minus 2 root 2x. And the 3.4x, that's the linear term, so the x cancels and we just get a 3.4. And the 1/4 is a constant term, that disappears. Okay, question number 6, and we can begin differentiating straight away term by term. The 3 multiplies to 2.3, that will give us 6.9 x squared, plus the 2 comes down in front of the cube root of 5 to give us 2 cube root 5 x. Then we get the linear term, that becomes minus 5 over 4, and the 2 pi is just a constant, so that becomes a 0.